Hey everybody! So today we're exploring the big meadows in the Shenandoah National Park, which is located in Virginia. So we're out here on a little staycation. It's like this nice big wide open field. And today's adventure lies beyond those trees. We are headed for some rocks. And as always, we have a sleeping mini Grinch. Look at squirrels! Squirrels! Okay.
Although I'd like to be in the woods, it's only 48 degrees outside today, so I'd rather stay out in the sun, especially with the little one. There's no set course on where we're going. We're just following animal trails through the thick and slowly guiding us to different parts of the actual field, and then eventually would meet up and head back to the resort we've been staying at.
It's like an alien crop circle. Dun dun dun. Ralph is sensing some alien activity in our alien crop circle. You can see this. There's rocks a million miles over there, so we're headed that way. Alien crop circle. Didn't have anything suspicious going on in it. Abigail is snoring. I don't know if you can hear her. Oh look, it's like a wishbone. We're gonna go this way. Looks longer. Just kidding. Not even connecting. Doesn't go the way we need it to go. Oh look, here's a nice spot. Getting closer. Bet you that would be a really fun hill to slide down if it was covered in snow. Oh, you're gonna beat me there. Sounds about right. So it's kind of like a corn maze. You kind of gotta pick the path and hope that you find the right paths to where you want to go.